Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get discount on the Nike application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top right corner, we have the search bar. We have your profile and everything about that, your bag, and the three dots, which you can click on. There we have a lot of things. So we have your profile, where you can go and check out all of these options there. We have the new featured men, so of course the favorites, bag orders, and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a discount on the Nike application. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So Nike says to be eligible, you'll need to sign up at least 10 days before your birthday month to receive a marketing emails and interact online and shop with Nike for a period of time before your birthday month. Then, when the month of your birthday comes, the discount is, you will get, of course, a discount, which is valid for 30 days from the date you receive the communication. And that's basically how you can get discount. That is one of the ways. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.